Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to earn more coins in Vita Mahjong using the game's normal features. So first, check the daily reward section when you open the game and claim any free bonuses that are available. Next, look for missions, challenges, or events that reward coins. Completing these regularly can give you additional rewards over time. You should also check whether the game offers optional reward videos. If you see a legitimate in-game option to watch an advertisement for coins, then you can use it when it's available. Another tip is to avoid spending coins unnecessarily. So before starting a level, check the cost and potential rewards so you can manage your balance carefully. Special events may also offer better rewards than normal gameplay, so check the event section regularly. And don't use coin generators or modified version of the game. So that was how to maximize your coin earnings using legitimate features in Vita Mahjong. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.